What happened? Shares of Blue Apron Holding, New York Stock Exchange, APRN, were getting consigned to leftovers again in October as the stock fell 13%, according to data from S&P Global Market Intelligence. The struggling meal kit provider slumped as it announced layoffs and as investors anticipated a weak third-quarter earnings report and absorbed news of an IPO from rival HelloFresh. The stock was volatile throughout the month, but sold off sharply the last 2 days in October ahead of its November 2 earnings report. APRN data by YCharts. So what? The biggest news of the month, the layoffs, seemed to exemplify Blue Apron's travails thus far as a publicly traded company. It's rare for a company to let go of workers just months after its IPO, but then again the meal kit specialist now trades 60% below its IPO price as it has repeatedly disappointed the market. On October 18, Blue Apron said it would cut about 300 jobs, or 6% of its workforce, as the company deals with slowing revenue growth and a plummeting stock price. In a letter to his employees, CEO Matt Salzberg called the decision painful and said it was the result of a road mapping and reprioritization exercise. The layoffs may be the clearest sign yet that Blue Apron's growth story is broken, and, though they may have been necessary, they don't inspire confidence in the company's future. Image source: Blue Apron. Now what? Blue Apron shares tumbled again after the company reported a decline in customers and missed earnings estimates in its third-quarter report on November 2. Revenue growth slowed to just 3%, and its customer count declined 6% as it cut back on marketing expenses because of logistical problems it's experienced with a transition to a new facility. Worse, the company said revenue would fall in the fourth quarter, a sign that its problems may be more entrenched than just the headaches involved in opening up a new plant. Meanwhile, rival HelloFresh shares soared on the company's IPO the same day, a sign that Blue Apron's challenges may be self-imposed and not due to weakness in the upstart meal kit space. Either way, the company's prospects as a standalone company look increasingly dimmer. An acquisition may be investors' best hope. 10 stocks we like better than Blue Apron. When investing geniuses David and Tom Gardner have a stock tip, it can pay to listen. After all, the newsletter they have run for over a decade, Motley Fool Stock Advisor, has tripled the market. David and Tom just revealed what they believe are the 10 best stocks for investors to buy right now, and Blue Apron wasn't one of them. That's right, they think these 10 stocks are even better buys.